Hello guys, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a AI-based chatbot which is developed by a startup AI of San Francisco and is available for public through web browser since November 2022. At very short span, it became popular and with approx 1 million subscribers. It provides an online customer care service based on natural languages process and capable of human-like resources. Some of the main features of ChatGPT is it can read and write codes, create a poem or stories, translation, conversation, generates lyrics, debug, complete assignments of students, tackle exams, a student-friendly conversation. You can ask any question in chat mode and all replies would be given like a human responses. Today we will see in video how to register or sign up with ChatGPT. Go to Google browser and search for chat.openai.com and such type of a page appear on your screen. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. You have already account, choose login, otherwise sign up. Create your account, enter your email address and choose continue. Verify your email. We sent an email to your gmail.com. Click the link inside to get started. Click on open Gmail. In Gmail, verify your email address. To continue setting up your OpenAI account, please verify that this is your email address. Choose verify email address. Thereafter tell us about you, first name, last name, organization names optional. Click on continue. Verify your phone number here, enter your country code and your number, and if you have WhatsApp, choose yes, otherwise choose no, and click on send SMS code via SMS. Enter code. You have just received the code on your mobile. Thereafter choose a option. How will you primarily use OpenAI? I am building a product or feature. I am exploring personal use. I am conducting AI research. I am a journalist or content creator. Choose one of them and finally you will be on home page of ChatGPT OpenAI. Start with the basics. Choose as per your options, as per your choice, and some other features are build an application, text competition. Otherwise, that's all.